Today we'll see important questions of anatomy from abdomen chapter, abdomen and pelvis for the BPT students. Bachelor of Physiotherapy. From the anterior abdominal wall, 10 marker question. Describe rectus abdominis muscle, its attachments, actions, relations, nerve supply. Rectus abdominis muscle can be asked as essay question. Similarly, external oblique muscle also can be asked. 5 marks, external oblique muscle of the abdomen. Here it's asked for the 5 marker. For the 10 marker also it is expected. Next question is rectus sheath. Another question can be contents of rectus sheath. Peritoneal chapter, peritoneum chapter, 5 marks, greater omentum. Lesser omentum also can be asked here. 2 marks, peritoneum, functions of peritoneum, functions of greater omentum. Next, stomach, 5 marks, stomach bed. Blood supply of stomach can be asked here as 5 marker. Describe gross anatomy of stomach. One more question that can be asked here is lymphatic drainage of stomach. 2 marks in this area, blood supply of stomach. So here it is asked as 2 marker. So just name the vessels. Name any 4 structures forming the stomach bed. Stomach bed is asked for 2 marker, but it can be asked as 5 marker also. Small and large intestine, 10 marks. Name the parts of large intestine. Describe the cecum in detail. One more question here is differences between small and large intestine can be asked. 5 marks. Second part of duodenum. So duodenum itself can also be asked here as 10 marker. 2 marks. Name the 2 differences between large and small intestine. So this can be asked for a 5 marker also. Small intestine for 2 marks or 3 marks. Here you need to just mention the parts of it. Describe in short. Blood vessels of the gut, 2 marks. Name the branches of celiac artery. Again, one more question can be asked here is name the branches of superior mesenteric artery. Extra hepatic biliary apparatus from this chapter, 2 marks. Parts of gallbladder. Here blood supply of gallbladder also can be asked as 2 marker, 3 marker. Functions of gallbladder. The next one, liver, spleen, pancreas. 5 marks. External features of liver. Pancreas also can be asked here. Ducts of pancreas can be asked here as 5 marker. Spleen can be asked 5 marker. Splenic artery and the branches of it. Kidney and ureter chapter, 10 marks, long essay. Describe right kidney and add short notes on structure, blood supply, nerve supply. 5 marks, anatomy of kidney, kidney relations. So you need to mention both the kidney here. The third question is specifically asked for right kidney. And the other one is relations of right kidney. So relations are asked here frequently as 5 marker for 5 marker. 2 marks, structure and hilum of kidney. Then suprarenal gland, 5 marks can be adrenal gland. Also blood supply of adrenal gland can be asked here as 5 marker. 2 marker, name the artery supplying suprarenal gland. So here they are specifically asking arteries. Next one is diaphragm. Discuss in detail thoraco-abdominal diaphragm. So you need to explain everything in this, including openings. Name the muscles in respiration. So here you need to mention all the muscles of respiration. Now the second part of it is describe the diaphragm under the following headings: origin, insertion, nerve supply, action. Sometimes you can get a sub question like openings of diaphragm. So there are major opening and minor openings. You need to mention both. 5 marks, diaphragm. So if it is asked like diaphragm, they're asking about thoraco-abdominal diaphragm. Next one, posterior abdominal wall. 5 marks, abdominal aorta. So you need to mention all the branches of abdominal aorta in detail. Female reproductive system. 5 marks, uterus. Supports of the uterus is asked frequently. Ovary also can be asked here. And from the male reproductive system, a testis also can be asked. Vas deferens also can be asked. Then 2 markers, supports of uterus, parts of uterus, enumerate parts of fallopian tube. And regarding this chapter, kidney and ureter, ureter also can be asked as a 5 marker. Constrictions of the ureter can be asked for 2 marker or 3 marker. Now walls of pelvis, 5 marks. Pelvic floor muscles can be asked for 5 marker. Superficial perineal pouch, deep perineal pouch can also be asked. And in this area, male urethra also can be asked. Prostate is another question. So these are some of the frequently asked questions. Thank you.